Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. I've been away for a little bit, but hey, just doing this and that. Wanted to get another video out here. Wanted to give a little update on the car. So I haven't done a whole lot since the last video, I think the last video was the lowering springs. Since then, you can kind of see here, got a Maxton design rear spoiler extension. Not too bad. I got the gloss black. Fit pretty nice. Didn't want anything too dramatic on the back end. I think that gives it a nice look. I do like how it has the see if you can tell, like right here, it has that curve down like that. One other item I installed was a new front grille. I got rid of the GTI red stripe grille and went with the chrome and black. I'm trying to get rid of the red, I think, around the outside of the car. I did have the red GTI Performance Pack logo, or I'm sorry, emblem on the front here. This is the same emblem on the front and back. All I did was remove the red, which is just vinyl. I thought, that I didn't realize it was actually vinyl. I thought maybe it was painted in there, but when I looked closer, it was just vinyl. So took that out, kind of get a black and chrome look. I think it looks pretty nice. That's about it as far as modifications in the car that I've done so far. One thing I did get was a new rack, bicycle rack, for the top of the car. You can see behind me I have some bicycles there. I do have a Thule roof rack. As you can see right here. I just didn't feel like putting it back on, so I decided to go with something new. Been trying to think of a rack, or try to find a rack that was easy to take on and off, but functional and do what I needed to do. So I decided to get this one and give it a shot. Right there, the SeaSucker rack. This one is called the Mini Bomber. It's got 2 spots for 2 bikes, or a spot for 2 bikes, and it has suction cups on it that suction cup to the roof. When I got the rack, everything was pretty much ready to go except for the fork mounts needed to be screwed on. And as you can see, they just take a couple screws. There's some lock nuts underneath. Screw them on there. It's adjustable, I guess, for the width of your bike. If it's a little too wide, you can move this around to get more space for the handlebars. So I think that's pretty cool. And they have these little plastic covers for when you're not using it, to keep it on there, to keep the rubber suction cups from getting all dirty. One thing you do need to do is clean the car first. Before you put these on ever, you have to make sure the car's clean. That's just the way it is, or they won't get a good suction and you might risk the bike's falling off and causing damage to the vehicle and your bike. So one thing you want to do is clean the car. Unfortunately, it's pretty much anytime you're going to put them on there, you got to make sure the roof of your car is clean. But I keep my car clean the majority of the time, so rinsing it down, washing it off. Even if I just got to wash the roof just to put the rack on there, I'll do that. So I'll be back when the car's clean. All right, the GTI is clean, and we're going to start to install the SeaSucker roof rack. All right, per the directions, you stick it up there, and you want to work from the inside out. As you can kind of look here, you see how it's got the orange. You want to push on this until it sucks it in. You can see the 2 center ones do not have orange anymore. And then you work your way out. I'll show you how this works. You see how this is? So you want to push down. This will flex a little bit here. You want to push down, and then you start pushing on this. Now as you push on the button here, Push, 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 push. The orange will slowly go away. Alright, there you have it. So you got the quick release here. Slide the forks down there like so. And to get this mounted in the right spot, you gotta mount that. Did set the tire down on the car just a touch. It's clean. Position this into the spot. Put it on there. Kind of strap it down, not tight, just at that point. But then push the button here until the orange went away. It sucked it down, strapped it tight, and that thing is solid on there. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have another video here real soon. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but maybe I'll get around to putting those engine and transmission mounts from 034 Motorsports. I still haven't done that. So maybe that'll be the next video. All right, till then, see ya.